All right, now I saw this bag and I was like, oh, I really like this bag because sometimes when we go out of town, somebody take my laptop or my notepads and different things like that. So I was like, oh, you know, instead of taking this other bag that I got, I was like, let me buy this bag. So I thought it was a cute little bag, child. But you can carry it like this. Like, you probably can carry it like to work. Like, if you keep your work laptop in it. Actually, you probably can put in whatever you want to put in it if it's your bag. Okay? Because I put a wallet in mine if I want to. All right? So you can carry it 3 different ways. You can carry it like this. You can carry it like this. Or you can put this in the inside. And carry it like this. Which is probably not the way I'll be carrying mine, but I'm just telling you, it's 3 different ways you can carry it, okay? Nice, cute little backpack. I got it because it was different. I like the fact of the make of it. How it was built like a laptop bag. But you can use it as a backpack or whatever it is. But I thought it was super cute. It has a side pocket over here, a side pocket over here. In the inside where you can put your laptop, Velcro in, you can just slide it right off in here. It has a zip pocket here. I hope y'all can see. I know I'm going kind of fast for speed. Okay. And I didn't get the, and then it also have like a little mesh pocket here. This wasn't the biggest one. I didn't want the biggest one. And again, it came off in this bag, so I'll just be keeping it in this bag. When I first opened it up, I said, I don't know, this ain't what I paid for this bag. That's what I said. Okay? And then I said, oh, well, wait a minute, my bag must be in this bag. And then when I picked it up, I was like, oh, okay, my bag is in this bag. I was like, baby, I was about to go over there and get my phone and do a return. That's exactly what I was going to do. I said, this ain't what I ordered. This ain't what I wanted. But it's super cute. You know, I know some people's like, what? Think grown people. That's the point. Y'all too grown. Okay? I think it's super duper cute. I think it's super duper convenient. So, hey, it took a minute for it to get here. But it finally got here. So that's where I'll be carrying my laptop in this bag, in that bag. And I give it a 10 out of 10. I like it. Y'all already know this ain't no promotion or no sponsorship because they ain't sent me nothing. Okay, I bought this with my money. Okay, hold on. Don't play with me. Look at my receipt right here. Don't play with me. I bought this. But anyway, I'm just messing with y'all. But yeah, 10 out of 10. I like it. I like the shape of it. It's different. I just like it. That's my opinion. So to each his own. If you think you're too old to get this bag, don't get this bag. Okay? But I like this bag. I'm 52. I like this bag. First of all, I'm going to be a kid at heart. Probably all my life. Probably all my life. And I'm going to always buy what I like and what I want. Okay? So if you see me coming down the street with this bag, and it got my wallet and some makeup bag or something off in it, oh, shit, it's my bag. All right? All right. 10 out of 10. Unbox with me.